What's up? Danny Hayasaka with Call 100 Hell Direct, helping people do their business better. So today we're going to take a look at the Innex C570 camera. Stay tuned. And we're back. So no one does a better job of demonstrating these solutions than Thomas Chang. So I'm going to go ahead and include a couple of videos that he's done on this Innex C570 camera in the description box below. Go check him out and subscribe because he does a great job of showing these solutions. I've been personally using this camera across Teams, Zoom, and Google Meet meetings this entire week, and it's been working fantastically. The other thing that it has is a built-in privacy shutter, so the only thing you need to do is turn this knob to close the shutter, and there goes the dogs. So what is the Innex C570? It's a camera that's designed for small rooms, huddle rooms, and even for personal desktop use. And if you're trying to stretch a budget, you might be able to put it in a mid to large meeting space. I personally wouldn't recommend it, but it's an option for you. It has 4K video. It's got 120-degree field of view. It has auto framing and a lot of AI features. And I'm just going to go ahead and demonstrate that because one of the things that you don't need is software, because included is this remote control that enables you to make adjustments and settings. So for example, right now I have it set to preset, but I can turn that on to auto frame. And so now what will happen is if I move around, it's going to find me and frame me. So now I'm standing over here. And so the Innex C570 is going to find me and frame me. I'm going to move over here to my Mac workstation here, and it's going to find me and frame me. And so it does a pretty good job. The other thing that I'm able to do with this is also set to manual. So it'll just back out and you'll see everything. And I can manually zoom and then pan, tilt, right? And I can even set some presets. So I have done that. So I can go ahead and press that OK button. Let's see, let's do it. There we go. And so now it's preset so that when I come in here, I can press that button. It's going to frame me the way that I like. Other options that are available, you can hit this little hamburger there. And then you have all these different options that are available to you. And you can make all the adjustments that you need. But anyway, this is a great little camera, and I believe it's just over 200 bucks. So it's also an inexpensive camera. If you have questions about this, feel free to reach out to us. All our contact information is going to be somewhere. And as always, if you like this type of content, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below. Let us know what you'd like to see, and we'll do our best to make it. Thanks.